All right, let's do this. It's to Dom. Yep. Yellow versus red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Best of luck, man.
You too.
Yeah, dice.
Yep.
Gotta be a 10. Jeez. Not a 10. Your choice.
I'll go first.
All right.
Hey Brian, did you win?
Yeah, I won.
I'll keep it.
I'll keep. Not great, but you know, it's a hand.
Yeah, no, I drew from this and then he gets my
it.
Yeah, and then you swing and you draw.
There you go.
Oh no, he doesn't draw.
I don't
So
know.
fun.
Oh, he doesn't do
That's
that.
why I have to take it down.
Oh, makes sense. Makes sense. How big is it?
It's 30.
And
30
this
for
is
now.
all I can
It's
take.
30 total.
That's a pretty good one.
Yeah. And you go.
Yep. Draw. Get my 2 dogs. I use 1. Play my pudding. We're top 4.
There's no way you
1,
gave me
2,
here. There's no
3,
way.
4.
You gave me here.
We
You
will
got it. You got
add
it.
pair of spare in the hand.
Automatically lose.
Yeah.
Well, I
And you'll move.
draw. Just funny.
7.
That bullshit.
7. I'll take.
Go.
No trigger. Draw. Done.
Swing.
use 3.
I'm gonna give it 40,
40.
50,
7.
Okay.
70,
6 of face.
75,
No trigger.
90.
90.
Remove.
25. 30. 40. 50.
Only you 2 moves. Those points are
60,
straight.
70.
Which is the point of time. Straight shot.
30. 40. 50. 60,
that's
70.
that's trash.
90.
What's trash over here? 5. That's not the 5 I was expecting. Draw. Two gone. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's a little growing on me. I don't know.
Is that A-drop, man?
This A-drop's really nice.
Double A-drop back to back. It's like
Yeah.
getting 10 costs.
6 of face.
What is the blue? You have the blue deck?
No, my brother does.
Oh, your brother does?
Yeah. Blue is just a bunch of bounce. It's
Six of
literally
face.
blue.
Oh, and that? They changed
No
it.
trigger.
That used to have crit.
6 of
It
face.
used to be, red or
7.
kind
Yeah.
of.
Red is
Move.
minus DP. Yellow is freestanding. Green is ramp.
Green is red. I can see the ramp. Yeah. I like the ramp. But I think everyone's gonna play ramp. Though. It's gonna be expensive.
Maybe, yeah.
That's what I just played. I was playing yellow. It's gonna be.
This is probably my hard. This is matchup. It's probably once you get to the
Frankie.
it's wrapped a couple times. It's just like what do I do? And you lost the die roll. I got second.
Oh, is he in the hand or?
My hand.
Oh, it's the hand.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, how is he there?
That'd be broken. And then, let's see.
I'm going first.
We actually have a chessboard. It's actually
5.
And me or you got him? Actually, no.
6. Okay.
yeah, every time.
Draw. Done. 2 at her.
What, you would like to play a game right now? I can play a game. I'm just
Give me your life or lose one. You're losing it.
I'll
That's,
give you one.
okay, I was gonna say, you're crazy, Mr. Zero Life. Alright, and then 6 of face.
Let's go.
Alright, 2 who got it?
Block. And then I will.
You're both 6. You don't need to block.
I'll pass.
He just wants to, I don't know. I have nothing else to swing with, so.
And 2 back.
Yep. Go move.
Let's remember this.
Alright.
Alright, Pokemon player, face
ability?
round 2.
Yep.
Everything's
That's a 10 gone, man.
Exactly.
Good luck, I just send over Brian.
Thank you.
Fight first, Randy.
I'll just go.
Swing left.
Take a life.
Yes.
5. Yep.
I don't know. I'm being very angry, bro. My mind.
Mr. Luffy.
Yeah.
Just use a magic sphere for real life.
He's dead. Effectively, guys. Look at the top 3 and add a Pokemon Pirate.
Alright. You understood what I was saying.
25?
Oh, at her.
Like, all we do is generate a hate, am I right?
There you go. Surprised you didn't attack with a Nami with her.
And go.
What is your name, by the way?
Draw.
Give me a shit.
Done.
Super NHL.
10 now.
Fuck.
And then that led into the card.
8. Actually,
So that's why it's Moya.
we'll make sure it dies.
Damn, he knows how.
Yeah,
Yeah, because he's also good at sleeping.
Yeah, because you're dumb.
Red.
8.
Red.
Alright. 7 Dawn. Give me a life or lose a life.
That's in your supposed to be what you watch in every game. Dude, facts. You're like,
Ready.
Perhaps.
I don't really found word.
I need a promo and I need I'm gonna go order Chinese. I mean, I still need the packs to get through. I'm saying that because I actually plan to get to one before that.
20 red.
Stadium.
Take.
I realize. What the heck?
Twenty a lead. Actually, yeah, 20.
10.
20.
10.
You can still awaken now.
You got him.
Yeah, because it's your combo.
6 LA.
I'll take it. No trigger.
It's your
And
defense
go.
stuff. That's what
Draw.
that's what we can.
Alright. I want my life back.
Bro, fucking, who was it? I can't remember.
Pass.
Oh, Grusha, whatever. I was like, yeah, I was like, yo, they made this character kind of hot.
Got 6 life to your 0. What you gonna do?
Bro! And everybody else is crying by like, hey, that guy's hot. And then fucking work out. And then work out was like, man, a lot of chicks are gonna like this dude. What? Leo told me, I was like, you fucking lied to me.
Why do you think I feel like, hey, trying to pull the full on the ticker? Like, hey, look, it's Leo.
25
Whoa!
11.
I'll take it. No trigger.
Oh shit.
Pokemon players, you take 5 minutes, you maybe
Hey, I
get
didn't say that. I didn't set it
5.
up.
one team starting.
No.
Must be nice, though.
7.
We're all in
I'll take.
Oh, Justin
No
Brothers.
trigger.
We're all in this together.
Alright, Combo.
Pokemon players, you have 35 minutes, you may begin.
8 at him. Finally dead. I know you gotta block this. 12.
Randy, how many DTEs? Alright, two reverses.
I use all 10 on.
What's the
You don't lose a life, I just gain 1.
Bro,
It's what's good against
You don't move.
yellow, and then what's good against blue, red?
Hollow fires.
Really strong.
Actually, this is good against red. This is probably good against
I was gonna say, that's last.
blue.
There's
Red.
Cosmo Play League.
Red is good against this.
But the- I
This
mean,
big bomb's stupid.
the start of the format, it is this,
Yeah,
this red, and maybe red with this.
No, there's more.
It's a fifth start.
Thinking of like a really nice
But
one.
in actual format, I don't know yet, because red is gonna have a lot of cards that deal with boards, so it wouldn't matter.
I just like how One Piece works.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Swing a lead, roll, and give you
13.
13. Let's see, that's 10. 10, 12, 14.
Pass.
Draw. 8 at face.
9. I mean, wait.
Yeah, I was using the other one. 12 at face.
Slack.
12 at face. Okay. He's on 12, a 10. Another one.
Jeez.
I can't swing again, so your move.
Alrighty. Draw.
I could have killed you, but you know, I just wanted to.
This is the full power of Big Mom.
Yes, it is.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Alright. Let's see.
What happens?
I could have gotten my
What,
Triple
where
Big
is
Mom?
my UPS
Yeah.
thing?
Triple Big Mom.
Triple Big Mom.
could have got my quote-unquote second.
Alright.
Second name on the
6 to the lead.
Yeah, but you get remember.
No.
Yeah, my name should be on this pack twice. For 90 and you kill.
Hey, yo.
Ability?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ability?
Yep.
Oh, so many blockers.
Yep.
That's so annoying.
Ability again?
No,
Yeah.
no. You're not supposed to be here. No, you're not supposed to be here.
12.
Yeah, you got this
That
one.
sounds like you problem, all right. Where's the one?
6 to lead.
No.
Wait.
No, I could've gone up high for that.
And it just, can he die or go to bottom deck?
They go to the bottom.
Okay.
We knew you
Yes.
had enough.
Alright, my move.
And your move.
What do you mean? What is
Draw.
3
You know
cards
what?
in hand.
I need more life. All for Big Mom.
He's doing it.
Oh, these were stamp. 12 a face.
And
that your YouTube account?
Yeah, that way there's no ad.
Game.
there you go.
Yep.
No wonder it's so much.
It's like stupid. I wanted to show the audience because I opened 4 of these suckers.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 life.
Yep.
Happy Valentine's Day. Love your mother, I guess. There you
Oh,
go.
I used to watch Beard Meat.
Stupid.